What are you dumping on?
Has this ever happened to you? You wake up early in the morning, ready to get a big start for the day. You walk out to your truck, and the tire is flat. Well, recently the gravel road here was graded, which means all the sharp stones gets put up on end. I'm going to air this up, and we're going to see if we can't repair it, because obviously I can't drive around like that. Let's go. So at this point we got the tire aired back up. There's two ways I can look for the hole. Number one is I can check around and see if I see any rock, screw, nail, metal, anything like that sticking into it. The other way is just to use a cup of soapy water. Soapy water, I think I might be hearing it. It'll make it blow bubbles and then we'll be able to see it. I'm not sure. I do hear it. We're gonna give it a try and we'll see what's happening. So I can hear it blowing out right down here somewhere pretty good. I'm just gonna rotate the truck back a little bit and we'll get a better look at it when this is on top and evaluate where we're at. Okay, at this point I spun it back and check this out. This is one way to tell where the hole is. See, I dump my soapy water on, it comes down, and right there it starts blowing bubbles. So I'm going to back it up just a little bit more so I can get that right on the top. And it does look like where it is that I'm going to probably be able to repair this. I just got to see if I got a kit in my truck or if I'll have to get with the neighbors, but right there. Alright, at this point I've rotated the tire. Bubbles are coming up here. These simple kits are like $5 at the store usually. They're worthwhile keeping on you. If it's in the sidewall, you're not going to be able to repair it, but if it's in the tread, you've got this one which will rough it up for you, and that one which will take these guys and put them down in there. So I'm going to get this loaded and ready to go, and hopefully we'll be back on the road. This one looks like a bigger one, so sometimes people use two. I'm going to start off with one, see if it don't work. Got that one ready. Take this one, find your hole. That's my hole. This doesn't seem right, but that's what some people use too. So to take this and just make a bigger hole, you heard it. Doesn't sound like it should work. Doesn't sound right, but it's what you do. And this is so tough too. Nope. That didn't work. Show you something up close. This is gonna have to get down to about there. So I gotta force it in a little bit more, and then I'll pop it out. You guys don't need to watch me struggle. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, that actually didn't take very long at all. But I shoved it down farther and then pulled it out quickly. And this is kind of like a needle, but it's got a slit through here. So when you pull out, you can pull this out and it leaves this behind. So what I'm gonna do right away is drive on it for a little bit and then air it up to the proper pressure, and we'll monitor it and see if it doesn't stay. It seems simple, it seems strange, but this does work. And then some people even burn this a little bit. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to get driving on it and see what happens. So, like I said, guys, especially on gravel roads, especially other places, to spend $5 and have one of these with you is a lot better than being completely stranded or switching to your spare. This is easier than changing a tire, and it'll save you money too on buying a new tire, because you can drive on these for quite a while. Alright, Papa out. As always, I'm Papa Pepper, and I'd like to remind you, don't post for free. If you'd like to be part of a revolution in social media, an economic power to the people where users can actually blog for cryptocurrency, then I'd recommend that you check out Steemit.com and join the revolution. Papa out.